But the use of wild animals in this context is outdated and ethically unacceptable. We will prohibit their use in travelling circuses in Wales.
How we treat animals is a reflection of who we are as a society and as a country.
Petitions Committee in the 4th Assembly considered a petition on this issue from RSPCA Cymru.
I just think this is a particularly important petition.
We're delighted this bill has been introduced. It couldn't come soon enough. Wild animals have had their welfare compromised in circuses for far too long. RSPCA Cymru has long led this campaign in Wales to bring an end to this outdated practice. It's been a very determined campaign and a lot of resources have been put into it, from reports, scientific evidence, research, campaign stalls, petitions, evidence sessions, all trying to bring an end to the use of wild animals in circuses.
Overwhelmingly positive response, and it is the intention of the Minister for Environment, Energy and Rural Affairs to lay the bill before this Assembly prior to the summer recess so that scrutiny can begin.
I'm delighted that our campaign may have helped bring an end to the use of wild animals in circuses in Wales once and for all. And we'd really like to thank all our supporters who've helped support this campaign, including the 9,000 people who supported the petition.